Good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. So children, today I will take LKG for maths. Yes children. Okay. So children, before maths, we discuss when you are back to school. Yes children, we will discuss when you are back to school. So when you are back to school children, you know that? Yes children, you all are back to school from June month. Yes children. So children, first of all, children, you all are very good children. Yes, really, you are very good children. You know why? Because you know children, why are you good children? So you all have listened online classes carefully. Yes children, you all are listen online classes very carefully. Yes children. So children, when your performance was very excellent, this online classes performance is very good and very excellent children. Okay. So in your academic, so this academic you listen carefully online classes, everything children, you are really very good student. Okay children. So and special thanks for parents also. Yes children. And special parents, thanks for parents who cooperate with your online classes. Yes children. So with your online classes, with your real effort. Yes children, with your parents effort who could teach our children and complete this academic year. Yes. So through online class, once again, thanks for parents. Parents, chana thank you. మీరు మీ పిల్లలకి ఈ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ లో చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. సో అందుకని మేము మీకు అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ అంటున్నాం. ప్రతి దానికి ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ కి మీ పిల్లలకి మీరు చాలా బాగా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. Okay parents, thank you once again. So children, we will all meet in June month. Pakka compulsory we'll meet on June month children. When you are come to school, okay, when you meet, so we'll do lot of fun children. We play on the ground, we'll sing rhymes, we read ABCD, everything children. We do lot fun children. Okay. So okay children, we all are waiting children, we teachers all are waiting. So welcoming children for you all went back to school. Yes children, you all when you back to school, we all are waiting. So when children is come, okay children. So children will meet this June month compulsory children. So everyone, okay, so buy new books, everything children. So take care. So summer holidays homework will give in WhatsApp children. Okay, will you write all summer holidays homework children? So okay, then we'll meet June. So everyone carefully children. Okay, so be safe, take care children. So okay children, understood? So now children, everyone take out Little Learner Maths textbook. Open children. Little maths. So maths after children, first we'll write 1 to 200 numbers. So everyone take out check rule book. Okay children. So first we'll write here 1 to 100 numbers. Okay children, ready? So first we'll write 1 to 100 numbers children. Okay, 1 to 100. Ready children? Yes. So everyone ready children? So everyone take out Max classwork book and write neatly in your classwork book one time children. So first everyone repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Yes. So next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100. So children, write classwork one time in your classwork book. So write neatly children, 1 to 100. Yes children, so next we'll write 101 to 200 numbers children. Yes. So now 101 to 200. Okay children? Yes. Yes children. So ready children? 101 to 200 numbers. So write neatly in your classwork book children. So everyone repeat after me. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. So 110. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, so 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 200 children, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, so 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 200. So everyone write neatly, children, one time in your homework book. Okay, children? Yes. So write neatly, children. As children finish, so children, you have homework 100 to 200 numbers. Numbers 1 to 200, write 3 times. Homework. Okay, children? Yes. So now, children, numbers name. Yes. So now, numbers name. Ready, children? numbers name ONE1 to TEN10. So everyone repeat children. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGST8, NINE9, TEN10. So children, so ONE1 to 10 write neatly in your homework book now. So you have homework children, ONE1 to TEN10 write 3 times. Homework. Okay children. So everyone repeat once after me children. ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGST8, NINE9, so TEN10. Okay children. So now children, next tables. Okay, so 1 1 and 2 1. Okay children. So everyone repeat children. So children, don't write this table in your classwork homework. This is only oral children. You read these tables. Okay. So everyone repeat. 1 1 1, 1 2 2, 1 3 3, 1 4 4, 1 5 5, 1 6 6, 1 7 7, 1 8 8, 1 9 9. So 1 10 10. Okay. So next 2 table children. 2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 2 8 16, 2 9 18, 2 10 20. So children, these tables, 2 1 1 table, you only read children. Okay. So don't write children. Okay. So now children, everyone take out Little Learner Max textbook. Open children. Yes. So page number yes children, page number 99. I know. Page number 99, I know. Write the number that comes after the given numbers. So children, here we'll write that comes after the given numbers children. So ready children? Yes. So see children here. 21. 21. So we'll here write 22, 27, 28, 32, 33. Okay children. After numbers children comes after. 27 after 22, 27 after 28, 32 after 33, 38 after 39, 43 after 44, 49 after 50. Yes. Okay children. So next, write the number that comes before that given number. So children, here we'll write before numbers. So 23, 24 before 23, 29 before 28, 35 before 36, 40 before 39, 50 before 49, 38 before 37. Okay children, so write the missing numbers between given number. So here children will write missing number. Between number is missing. So we'll here write between but missing numbers children. 19, 20, 26, 27, 29, 30, 39, 40, 48, 49, 44, 45. Okay children, understood? So next turn the page. So circle the number that is more. So children will here more numbers will circle children. So 40. So 44 is more. So circle. 25, 30. Which is the more children? 30 is more. So circle. 23, 21. Which is the more? 23. 37, 39. So which is the more? 39. 47, 28. So 47 is more. Circle. 32, 41. So 41 is more. So circle. Join the dots. Complete the picture. So children here will join the dots children and complete the picture. Okay children. So where is the one here? So complete. Ready children to join the dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay children? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So children here will complete the dots children. Join the dots is completed. See children, so one is fish is there. Okay. Yes. So turn the page. So children, circle to make group of count and match to the number. So first one children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So where is here 14 children? So this is 14. So matching children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So where is the 25 number children? Here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 mangoes. So we'll match 37 number. Okay children. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So this is 44 oranges. So we'll here match 44 number. So next 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we'll here match 50. Okay children. Now next fun time children. So play the game with your friends, have fun. So children, this is one game. So you this game play with your friends children. Okay. So now turn the page. Read and count 1 to 50. I can't count. So everyone repeat children. Put the finger and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay children, you read children. in your textbook is there. So everyone repeat these 1 to 50 numbers. Okay children. So children, your maths class is done. So you have homework children, 1 to 200 numbers and OND 1 to 10. Write 3 times children and learn read tables children. Okay, 1 table and 2 table you repeat children. Okay children. Yes, so we'll meet you next class. So bye children, take care.